All right, second part of 5-1. We need to write an equation in point-slope form for the perpendicular bisector of the segment with endpoints with C and D here. Okay, it's going to take 4 steps. 4 steps to solve this. Okay, so step 1. Step 1. Go ahead and graph CD. So C is 6, 5. Write 6 down, -5. 6, -5. D is 10, 1. Write 10, up 1. Okay, so perpendicular bisector. Okay, so where is the line that is a perpendicular to this line going to intersect this line? Well, it should be at the midpoint, right? Okay, so it's the midpoint. So, step 2. We need to find the midpoint. Okay, remember your midpoint formula, x subscribe 1 plus subscribe 2 divided by 2, y subscribe 1 plus subscribe 2 divided by 2. Okay, so we have C and D. We have 6 plus 10, and we have -5 plus 1. So we have 16 over 2, which is 8. And we have -4 over 2, which is -2. Okay, so there's the midpoint. +8, -2. That is right there. It's where that line is going to intersect. Okay, step 1, step 2. Okay, step 3. Okay, perpendicular bisector. If we knew the slope of CD, then we could find the slope of the line that is perpendicular to that, right? Because the slope of the perpendicular line of that would be its opposite reciprocal. Okay, so slope of CD. Remember, your slope is your vertical change over your horizontal change. So slope of CD is going to be 1 minus -5 over 10 minus 6. So what is that? 6 over 4, which simplifies to 3 over 2. All right, well, that's the slope of CD. We need the slope of the line that is perpendicular to that. So the perpendicular line is going to have a slope opposite, which is going to be a negative, and the reciprocal is going to be 2/3. Okay? Last step. Okay, so step 4 is to use your point slope formula. Remember that your y minus your y1 equals m, x minus your x subscribe 1. Okay, so let's identify what our slope is. We said it was negative 2/3. All right, and we've got our point, which is our midpoint, which is, what is that, 8, negative 2. So if we substitute in, we have y minus y subscribe 1, which is your negative 2, equal to m, which is our slope, x minus 8. So let's clean this up a little bit. Y plus 2 equals negative 2/3, x minus 8. There's your answer. All right, let's try another one like this. I'm going to be quiet and let you work this one on your own. Okay, guys, you got step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. I think that's it. Yep. Have a good one.